Two hands up, moon. Now, if I say star, put your two hands on your waist. Star. Moon. Star. Moon. 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 Star. Moon. Star. Yan. Now, lastly, if I say earth, you just need to sit down like this. Tapos up. Para yung makatayo lang po tayo agad. Okay? Okay, again. Earth. Enough. Ready? Let's have a trial muna, ha? Ready? In 3, 2, 1, moon. Star. Oh, trial pa lang naman po, ate. Okay lang. Earth. Moon. 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 Star. Earth. Tayo. Now, are you ready to play? Ang matatalo, charot. Ang magkakamali po ay talo na agad, ha? Tanggal. Oo, ganyan daw po. O, sige, go. Para kita po natin lahat. Yes. Okay. Ready? Ready. Now, kapag po nagkamali kayo, out na, ha? In 3, 2, 1, moon. Star. Moon. Star. Star. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're out. Thank you so much. 1, 2, 3, 4. Diyan ka lang po, ate. Yung isang ate lang. Ikaw po out ka na. Okay. Move a little, kuya. Thank you. Ate, move a little. Yan. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, moon. Star. Earth. Moon. Moon. Moon! Thank you. Now next, ready? Please put your hands down. Thank you. Please move closer to each other. And ready. In 3, 2, 1, moon. Star. Earth. Moon. Moon. Star. Earth. Moon. 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 Star. You got this, ate. Ang pinakamaliit natin.
Small but terrible.
Yes. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, moon. Star. Earth. Moon. 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 Star. 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 Moon! Yay! And our winner for this quiz game, palakpakan po natin. Yes, Rachel, right? Congratulations to you.